Good morning. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, January 4th. We had a huge week last week. 700 points on the Dow. Did exactly what we called in the video last Sunday. We got up to our 9,000 resistance. It's been pretty vertical over the last couple of days, and the bears and shorts are screaming for a retracement here, which is possible given the size of the move. But things look pretty bullish right now. We've broken the downtrend line that dates back to the 11K highs. We've closed above the 50-day moving average. We have a positive ADX cross on the Dow daily. This is the first cross since the breakdown in the 11,000s. On balance volume is ticking up. Stochastics are nice and strong, and things look pretty good here. I think shorts and early long sellers are going to be quite shocked by this market in the next couple of weeks. Still looking for the rally to continue at least into the Obama inauguration. Resistance right now, key to watch will be the 9250-ish area. If they're able to push the Dow up to this level early Monday, the shorts are going to get very, very scared, in my opinion. And a lot of that money, one of the issues we've had with this rally recently is the buying volume has not really been there. Selling volume has disappeared thanks to the VIX, but the buying volume hasn't really come in yet. We get up to around 92.50, and you're going to see a lot of that money that's sitting on the sidelines start to push in, and we could see a pretty quick move to the 9600 area. Again, like I said last week, my targets right now are 9600 and 11K on the Dow. I mean, it sounds crazy, but we're taking the 11K number on the height of the triangle breakout we have here. 9600 to 7400 is 2200 points. Added to the break is about 10,800, so that would be our target here. As I mentioned, VIX continues to break down. We've got the 200-day moving average coming up here, but there's no reason why this should, offer any sort of support for the VIX. It hasn't in the past. SMH, very, very nice. Tech starting to take a leadership role. Breakout in the SMH is 1881. As you can see, all the moron analysts and brokers have downgraded and sold supposedly the SMH, and now we are running, which is usually what happens. You run when they upgrade, you buy when they downgrade. RSI up above 50, positive ADX cross. All the other indicators look really good, and we're still looking for 21 as our medium term target on the SMH. Stock plays. Stem cell stocks look really, really good right now. ASTM, as I mentioned in the alert, would be adding this one anywhere around the 50-cent area and accumulating on any dips. This should be a big mover with STEM into, Obama getting sworn in. We had massive runs back right before the election for Obama hype, and we are very likely to see it again this time. STEM, the chart here looks really, really good. It looks very close to going on one of its big moves that it's notorious for. So would look to be adding this one on any dips to the 130 area, and our targets are 175 to 2. I really think we could see 2 on this one. And if we see $2 on STEM, we're going to see our 70 cents target here on ASTM very easily. Penny plays, which is what we love right now and what does very well this time of year. LVWR, nice big move on Friday on decent volume. Target here is 25 cents, cash rich stock, which is what we're playing right now. A lot of traders don't like to play the penny stocks, but a lot of these are trading below their cash value, which makes them ultra cheap. And these are the kind of stocks that go on massive moves in early January. ADX looks fantastic here, and so does Stochastics. This one should be a big mover in the coming days. KERX, another one of our cash-rich biotech stocks. We're looking for 37 cents on this one. NRGN, we've got a little flag formation here. The next move above 15 cents should be the one that sets this one free. And we're looking for 25 and 40 cent targets on this one. GTCB, they've got an FDA panel review meeting January 9th, which is on Friday, so this one should be very active this week. I would be looking for dips to 25 cents to add back our scalp sales from that big move a week or so ago, but keep a very close eye on this one. ETFC, big move on Friday. This one's getting very close to a big move. As I mentioned, we're looking for a nice move on this one. First target is 143. Above that, we're looking for a buck 80 to $2 on this one. RSI is finally broken above 50. Volume has increased nicely. Stochastics look really, really good. We've got a positive ADX cross. This one, like LVS on Friday, could be a big mover. Again, these are the kind of stocks that go on big moves the first couple of weeks in January. They were hit hard in November and December, and now it's time for the snapback rally. We got our first close above the 20-day exponential, which is very good. So this one should be nice this week. BKHM target here is 60 to 68 cents on this beaten down optical play that really should not be trading down in this area. Quick mention on NEOL. We're expecting news on this one any day. Target 25 cents, irregardless of news. If we get news, 40 cents plus is the target. Sanmina. We've got a breakout of our bullish falling wedge here. Confirmation would come on a close above the 50-day moving average at 56 cents. We get a close above 56 cents, and targets are 80 cents and $1 on this one. This is a stock, positive cash flow, still making money even in a bad economy. We've got a positive ADX cross here, stochastics in the basement, and I think this one could be very, very nice in the next couple of weeks. Quick mention on NT, Nortel. Just keep an eye on this one. There's a lot of buyout rumors swirling on it. If any kind of news that they sell a division or have a buyout offer, and we're looking at a triple on this one up to the 60, 75 cents area. So worth having just even a tiny piece of this one. You can place your stops at 20 cents on this, and we've got a 5-6 cent downside and possibility of a double or a triple on this one. So even if you've just got a small position, it's worth considering some of this stock. ZHNE, another cash-rich biotech stock, shouldn't be trading down here. Massive insider buying over the last month or so. Target 25 to 30 cents on this one. We're looking for doubles on all of these cash-rich plays. Our downside is pretty limited given the cash balance these stocks have, which is why they're so attractive, especially down here. And we can take a shotgun approach, have a few dollars in each one, and as they pop one by one, move into the laggards. So we're coming off a really big rally week into a new week. We should start to see volumes increase, especially if we get a little extension on Monday. Going to see a lot of buyers move in. And one thing I wanted to say, you've got a lot of shorts and a lot of longs going. The economy sucks, the news sucks. Yes, it does, but don't listen to that. Listen to the market. That's what traders do. We trade stocks, we trade the market, and the market right now is in a bullish mode, irregardless of what the hell is going on in the economy. As they say, don't fight the tape. And right now, we're at all-time short interest highs on the market. Things look bad. Doesn't mean we can't have a monster rally, and we get a little bit more upside, and the shorts are really going to start to squeal, and a lot of longs are going to come in off the sideline and start to buy. We had the biggest up day on Friday, for the first trading day of the year. Friday was the best opening market day since 2003. And if you'll remember, you were trading back then, 2003 was the year of the small cap, which is what it should be this year. So that's why we're positioned in the cheapy ones. And another reason why the first 5 trading days of January are important, 75% of the time, if we have a gain the first 5 trading days of the year, we have a nice up year in the market. So bulls, if you're out there, start buying. We could be in for a very nice move over the next month or so. And that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Goodbye.